Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. Today, I attending second international conference on Islamic Studies, Islamic Finance and Management 2024. Today, I want to present my article entitled The Effect of Influencer Personality and Social Media Contents Towards a Customer Purchase Intention in the Restaurant Industry. I am Fauzan from Fakulti Pengurusan Teknologi dan Tekno Usahawan, Center of Technologies Technopreneurship Development, University Technical Malaysia, Malacca. Okay, I want to introduce my introductions. 25 million people in Malaysia are active social media users. In today digital age, businessmen think a lot about the full use of social media influence on their business. A social media platform are now the main target for business to promote their product or services. No business no use a social media influencer to increase their sales by paying influencer who have a lot of followers to make good review of their product or services. A good influence can give a good response to a business. Not to be missed, the food industry also take this opportunity to pay social media influencer for food and service review in their restaurants. In Malaysia, the use of social media is increasing day by day, proving that marketing through social media can provide many benefits to businesses. An influencer is someone who can influence others in making decisions by using expertise, knowledge, rank, or relationship. Meanwhile, social media influencers are people who use social media to create content that they are expert or knowledgeable about the attracts follower. Consistently upload content about their areas of expertise and provides opinion and insight to establish a close relationship with their follower. Influencer marketing is the result of an agreement between a social media influencer and a brand that wants to promote a product service. Using influencer as a medium to deliver product or services that are carried out to focus on business such as cosmetic, clothing, and other, because they are well received by social media user or their follower. A mistake in choosing a good influencer will have a deep impact on a business. If the business hires the wrong influencer, it is much likely that the business will not have a positive effect and might cause losses. Businesses need to find out some important personality trait about an influencer, such as their characteristics and thereof content the products before deciding to hire them. Literature review. Restaurant industry. In recent years, the restaurant business has seen a few shifts. Forbes identified 5 terms to look out for the rising use of technology in restaurants of all sizes in one noticeable trend: apps, third-party ordering site, and direct online ordering methods are all examples of this. The expansion of restaurant delivery services is another noteworthy development that has both enormous importance and particular difficulties. Home delivery depend heavily on trust in the food handling procedure and contractors purchases. Customer purchase intentions. This may dependent variables for this research. Customer buying intention is a measure of whether a customer is likely to buy a certain product or service. It is an important marketing metric because it helps business understand and predict how customer will act, make good choice, and cut costs. MBA school team, by measuring purchase intention, businesses can figure out how likely it is that a customer will buy something. This helps them make better marketing plans and increase sale rates. Influencer personality, independent variables. The term influencer personality refers to the set of traits and characteristics typically associated with individuals who have acquired influence and a devout following in a variety of domains, particularly social media. Influencers are recognized for their ability to influence the opinion, behavior, and purchasing decision of their audience. The result of the empirical study that has been done so far are mixed when it comes to how the traits of social media influencer affect by intent and customer engagement. Social media content. This the second independent variable. Social media appeals to our natural needs for social connection. The facilitates social networking by enabling dialogues without the need for middlemen, in contrast to traditional monologues where one person speaks for many. So from this introduction and literature review, my proposed research network, independence variable in influencer personality and social media contents, and customer purchase intention for dependent variable. So I have the seven hypotheses. Hypothesis 1, there are significant effect of influencer personality expertise towards customer purchase intention in the restaurant industry. Hypothesis 2, there are significant effect of influencer personality entertainment value towards customer purchase intention in the restaurant industry. Hypothesis 3, there are significant effects of influencer personality informative value towards customer purchase intention in restaurant industry. Hypothesis 4, there are significant effects of influencer personality and attractive towards customer purchase intention in restaurant industry. Hypothesis 5, there are significant effect of social media content, short form video towards customer purchase intention in the restaurant industry. Hypothesis 6, there are significant effects of social media content image towards customer purchase intention in the restaurant industry. The last hypothesis, there are significant effect of social media content live video towards customer purchase intention in the restaurant industry. Methodology. The design of the study revealed a distinct connection between the dependent and independent variable, influencer personality and social media contents, dependent variable purchase intentions. The study adopts a quantitative research approach employing an online questionnaire survey to gather data from 1 to each respondent. A method for this quantitative research sampling is stratified random sampling. A pilot test was conducted with chosen 30 participants to assess the validity of the survey questionnaire and obtain feedback on its structure. The Cronbach alpha result for the pilot test is 0.891, which indicates the questionnaire developed by the researcher is valid. Since the value is greater than 0.7. Result and discussion. This respondent backgrounds from the table present the demographic profile of survey participant. Finding revealed that 44.5 of the respondent were male, while 55.5 were female. Malay respondent constitute the large racial group, and the majority of participants fell within the 21 to 25X group. Reliability and validity analysis. From the reliability analysis of each variable, all variable independent or dependent Cronbach alpha more than 0.7. Multilinear regression analysis. From based on the table, the research analysis by multiple regression analysis (MRA) above, the correlation coefficient value is 0.8, which indicates that the 7 independent variable expertise, entertainment value, informative value, attractiveness, short form video, image, and live video are highly correlated to dependent variable. This means that the respondents are positive on customer purchase intention. Furthermore, the result of the coefficient of determination R square in this research show a total variation of 75.5. So this means that the remains 24.5 of the variation are indirect factor, which mean other variable have been used for this study to evaluate customer purchase intention. This table from analysis ANOVA. In the ANOVA table, the F value generated is 52.931 with a significant level of 0.00. Since the significant levels is 0.00 is below than alpha value of 0.05, which is a significant relationship between a dependent variable customer purchase intention in independent variables. Expertise, entertainment value, informative value, attractive short video, image, and live video. Coefficient. This relationship independent to dependent variable. Based on the tables, it is indicate the determine the result of the coefficient between independent variable and dependent variable. the independent variable of expertise towards customer purchase intention has not significance because their alpha value is more than 0.05. For entertainment value, results show no significant effect on customer purchase intention because the value also more than uh, 0.05. Meanwhile, for the independent variable of informative value, it is significant to affect the customer purchase intention because the p-value which is less than the alpha value 0.05. However, attractiveness show the p-value is more than the alpha value. Uh, this proves that attractiveness has no significant effect on customer purchase intention. Besides that, for the independent variable of short from video, it is significant to affect customer purchase intention because the p-value uh, less than the alpha value. For the image, it's also significant to affect customer purchase intention because p-value less than the alpha value. Lastly, the independent variable for live video is significant in affecting customer purchase intention, because less than the alpha value of 0.05. So the conclusion for this research, hypothesis 1 reject, hypothesis 2 reject, hypothesis 3 accepts, hypothesis 4 reject, hypothesis 5, 6, and 7 accepted. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning.